Now let us see the next question in exercise 4.1, which is the third question. Here, what is the third question given here? Simplify. Here they have given two questions. See the first question. Simplify 2 square into 3 square by 2 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 1. This is the question they have given. You need to simplify this value. That means you need to calculate what is the value of this expression. So here again I will write the exponents, loss of exponents what we are going to use here. So you know that what are the loss of exponents, which is a power m into a power n, which is a power n plus n, and the next one a power m by a power n, which is a power m minus n, a power 0 is equal to 1, a power n whole power m is nothing but a power mn, and after that a power m into b power m is nothing but ab whole power m, and the next one we have discussed here a by b whole power m is nothing but a power n by b power n, and a power minus n is nothing but 1 by a power n. These are the loss of exponents we have discussed in the before sessions. Now based on this loss of exponents we need to simplify these values. So here what they have given here, 2 square into 3 square by 2 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 1. Here you can observe that this one you can, here 2 is there, here also 2 is there. So you can write these two at one place. So that how you can write as 2 square by 2 power minus 2, right, into what is there here, 3 square into 3 power minus 1. Now here you can observe that it is in the form of what, a power m by a power n. Here the bases are same. So what we need to do, we need to subtract the powers by applying which law of exponent, which is a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So here from that, since a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n, from that this one you can write it as 2 power 2 minus of minus 2. Why? Because here 2 is there, here what is the power minus 2. So here if you take to the this exponent, you can write this one as 2 power 2 minus of minus 2 into, again here you can observe that it is in the form of a power m into a power n. Since here the multiplication is there, you can add the powers. So by this identity, a power m into a power m is nothing but a power m plus n. Since here the bases are same, you can add the powers. From that you can write this one as 3 to the power of 2 plus of minus 1. Now here you can write this one as minus into minus, which is nothing but plus. So you will get 2 plus 2, which is nothing but 4. So you will get here 2 power 4 into here 3. What is the value of plus into minus? Minus 2 minus 1, which gives you 1. So here you will get here 1. So what is the value of this one? 2 power 4 into 3. So what is the value of 2 power 4? That means you need to multiply 2 4 times. So that 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 2s are 16. So you will get here 16 into 3. What is the value of 16 into 3, which gives you 48. So what is the solution of this problem, which is nothing but the 48. So to solve this problem, you need to apply the loss of exponents so that you can find any value. Now see the next question in this problem. Four power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 1. So let us see the next question here. Now you can observe that it is in the form of what, a power minus 1. That means it is in the form of a power minus n. You know that a power minus n is nothing but 1 by a power n. So you can apply that law of exponent here. So you can write this one as 1 by 4 power 1. Right? Here if power is negative, if you are writing in the form of 1 by that value, that power Now just check in which table these all values will get cancelled. Here in 3 table 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. And since here 5 is there, 1 5 and 1 5 will get cancelled. And what is left out here? 2 into 5. So what is the value of 2 into 5, which gives you 10. So what is the answer of this one? Which is nothing but 10. So like this you need to solve the problem. Now see the next question in this. So this is the next problem they have given, which is 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 into 1 by 4 whole power minus 3 into 1 by 5 whole power minus 3. Here you can observe that which law of identity you can apply here. You can observe that here the bases are not same, but the powers are same here. You can observe that what are the powers here? Minus 3 and minus 3. But here the bases are not same, but the powers are same. And what we are doing here? We are doing the multiplication. Now check which identity you can apply. It is in the form of sum a power m into b power m. Here you can observe that the powers are same, but the bases are different. So here what is the law of exponent? This one, which is nothing but a into b whole power n. This is the law of exponent, this one, right? So here by this what you can do it here, you can multiply the bases. So this one you can write it as 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 5 into 4 power minus 3. Here what we have done by applying this law of exponent, here since the power is same, what we have done, we have multiplied the bases. So just multiply the bases. What are the bases? 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. So this is 1. Now you know that how to multiply the fractions. Just you need to multiply the numerators and you need to multiply the denominators. So what you get? 1 into 1 by 2 into 4 into 5. 4 power minus 3. Right? So here you know that 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. So you will get here 1 by. So what is the value of this one? Let's check it here. 5 4s are 20, 22s are 40. So you will get here 1 by 40 whole power minus 3. Now again this one is in the form of what? A by b whole power n. Right? So it is in the form of what? A by b whole power n. So this power is applicable to both of these numbers. Similarly this one you can write it as a power n by b power n. Right? So you know that 1 power minus 3. What is the value of 1 power minus? You need to multiply 1 3 times. Right? So otherwise you can change this one into the form of this one. So how do you can change here? A by b whole power minus n. So it is in the form of this one. If you change this one, what will it become? It will become here 40 cube. Just we have changed this one so that you will get here 40 cube. Here you can leave it, or otherwise you can multiply this one 3 times. Now see the next question. In the third question, which is so here this is the question they have given here. What is the question they have given? 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 into 4 power minus 1 into 3 by 4. You need to calculate this value and you have to state the ratio. Now here it is in the form of what? A power minus n. And you know that a power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by a power 1. 1 by a power 1 is nothing but 1 by a. So in 2 table you will get 2 and 4. So you can write it as 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Since 3 will not come, just 3 write as it is. And after that, so what will be the LCM here, which is nothing but 2 into 3 into 2. Just multiply these values. So that what you will get here, 2 twos are 4 and 4 threes are 12. So what is the LCM in this case, which is nothing but 12. So here write 12. So here now check it here. In 2 table value we get 12. You know that 2 6 are 12. So multiply here with 6, which is nothing but you will get here 6. And similarly in 3 table value we will get 12. The 4s are 12. So multiply with 4. 1 into 4, which gives to here 4. And similarly in 4 table value we will get 12, which is 3. 4 threes are 12. So multiply here with 3. You will get 3 ones are 3 into 3 by 4. So just solve it. What you will get here? 6 plus 4, which is 10. 10 plus 3, which is 13. So you will get here 13 by 12 into 3 by 4. Right? And after that, just check here in which you will get cancelled in anything. No, it will not get cancelled. So here, just write it 3 3s are 9, 39 by what is the value of 12 into 4, which is 48. Like this you need to solve the question. Now see the next one. So this is the next question they have given here. What is the question they have given here? 3 power minus 2 by 3 into 3 power 0 minus 3 power minus 1. Now you need to solve this one by applying these laws of exponents. So here it is in the form of what? Just check it. It is in the form of a power m by a power n. Right? Here the bases are same. So what we need to do? We need to subtract the powers because here we are doing the division. So it is in the form of what? A power n by a power n. Since the bases are same, you need to subtract the powers. So here also you need to subtract the powers. So what are the powers here, which is minus 2, and here what is the power, which is 1. So minus 2 minus 1 into what is the value of anything to the power of 0, a power 0, which is nothing but 1, minus, and you know that a power minus n is nothing but 1 by a power n. So here you will get here 1 by 3. Now write what are the laws of exponents we have applied here. We have applied here a power n by a power n is nothing but a power n minus n, and a power 0 is equal to 1, a power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. These three laws of exponents we have applied here, so that we have changed this one into the form of this one. So here it is in the form of a power n by a power n. Since here the bases are same, you can subtract the power a power n minus n. So we have subtracted minus 2 minus 1 into, and you know that anything to the power of 0 is 1, minus, it is a power minus 1. So you can write it as 1 by a power 1. Now solve this one. What you will get? 3 power. What is the value of minus 2 minus 1? You know that if both are negative, you can add the values. So that what you will get 2 plus 1, which is 3. For the bigger number, which symbol is there minus. So here keep it here minus into. Now take the LCM. What you will get? Which is 3. You know that 3 ones are 3 minus 1. Now here what you will get here? 3 power minus 3 into. What is the value of 3 minus 1, which is 2 by 3. And again here you can observe that it is in the form of a power minus n. What is the formula for a power minus n, which is nothing but 1 by a power n. So by applying that one, you can write this one as 1 by 3 cube into 2 by 3. So by which identity we have applied here, which is a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Now similarly here you can observe here we are multiplying the fractions. So you can multiply the numerators and you can multiply the denominators. So that what you will get? 1 into 2, which is nothing but 2, and Here 2 cube, 3 cube into 3. Here again, since the bases are same, what we can do, you can add the powers. So what are the powers here? 3 plus 1, which is nothing but 4. So you will get here 2 by 3 power 4. This is the problem. Here what we have done here, they have given this question and they ask that to simplify and you have to state the reason. So since the bases are same, we have applied the identity, which is a power m by a power n is nothing but a power m minus 1, and you know that anything to the power of 0 is always 1, and a power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by a. And we have calculated here by taking the LCM, we got it here 3 power minus 3 into 2 by 3, and again here we have applied the identity a power minus n, which is nothing but 1 by a power n, and you know that a power n into a power n is nothing but a power n plus n. Like this you need to solve the problem.